Hiya, welcome to one of our videos again. Today, for the first time, literally out of the box, we've been trialling Dewalt drill, designed for cutting holes in walls and things. What's the correct term for that, Daniel?
It's diamond core.
Diamond core drill.
Core drill, sorry.
Yeah, core drill. I'm sort of doing this a little bit back to front, so I just wanted to show you how effective it is. So that's the hole. It's about a 12-inch hole, easy there, 10-12 inch hole through there. That's the end bit that I've taken out. Yeah. Now we're using the Ruber set of bits, yeah, and I think this one is about 52-53mm, this one, and basically you just get the arbor, and you put it in the chuck and you tighten it up and you put your core drill bit on. This is when you're starting off, and then you just pop your drill bit in there, just drops in, you don't need the mould grips on it until you've got enough drilled in the wall, say about an inch or so. Then just pull your drill bit out, it's tapered, it comes out, and then you just carry going through. The thing I like about this, it's got two settings, one or two depending, so from 22 to 68mm core size drill bit, so I've used number 2, and if it's something like a toilet 68 to 127, you just set it to number 1. Okay, ease of use, never used one of these before, found it really helpful. When it got a little bit hot, I think, or we had a problem, been using it, the red light comes on, just stop for a minute, let it cool down a bit. What I did find useful was every so often just pull it out, do that, and dip the end in some cold water, and then when you're putting it back in, just start really easy, and then speed up the figure. It's got reverse and forward. You can also use it as a hammer drill and just set it to it. Ease of use, I didn't struggle with it at all. I let the core drill bit do the work for me. Nice firm handle to grip, comfortable to use, controllable, because you can start off and then speed it up. And to me, I found that quite useful when if I was taking it in and out. So I'd give this first use in 10 out of 10.
About the lead and stuff.
Yeah, lead. It is quite a long lead.
Rubber plug on the end.
Rubber plug on the end. Just generally good quality. You can see it's cut nice, fairly nice hole. But I found just stopping every so often, dipping the tip in some cold water and giving it a shake definitely helped. I'm also using this for some waste pipe, putting the washing machine in here. So yeah, so out of the box, first use. Never used one before, nice and easy. Yeah, hope this helps somebody when deciding what core drill bit to buy. Thank you.